Hey, what's going on, everyone? We did a price prediction XRP a couple of weeks ago, maybe a couple of days, right there on the 3rd of March. Look for the price in XRP to go higher, and it did not do it. Price ultimately came down in price and took us out right here at the bottom of this buy pocket of $2.22, give or take. The market ultimately nested at this next buy pocket in XRP on March the 11th, 2025 of a low of what, $1.91. So let's try to get back into position, see if this cryptocurrency is still bullish or not. If it's not, will we continue to look for XRP to go lower? Because this is a very important area that we need to ensure that these buyers hold price. If they do, then we will continue to look for price to trade within the trading channel, to where hopefully we can transition over to this cryptocurrency, continue to go higher in price. If not, we're going to look for the market to go down. So let's look at a couple of different time frames in XRP real quick, and then we'll have enough information to drop a price prediction going forward. So let's get rid of that. Okay, you guys can see what, 16.77% down right there. And we will also get rid of these buy pockets because those buyers ultimately did not show up for XRP. And we will add a couple more pockets of selling in the market for XRP since these buyers were not able to keep price supported. Okay, so there we go. Now let's look at XRP on the 2. Just going to do a quick look, zooming out this price chart. Ultimately, you can tell that this cryptocurrency is just pretty much traded within a range, right? So people are trying to figure out, okay, what's the next move? Here it is on the 3 in XRP. This area is still showing us how important this buy pocket is. As long as price stays above it, then we have to lean more towards XRP maintaining its momentum, its strength, to where it wants to go higher in price. But the moment that we see price break this pocket of buying, expect a bigger move to the downside. Here it is on the 4. XRP on the 5. Here it is on the weekly. Okay, so yeah, this was a pretty good week right there, especially after we saw this big move to the downside on this weekly price bar. From March the 3rd, the market ended down the week 27.25%, to where the next week the price didn't go lower. In fact, it closed higher than the prior weekly price bar. So it tells us that yes, these buyers definitely see where they want to buy XRP. They think it's at a discount, so they're coming in and buying it on that pocket right there. XRP on the 3. Here it is on the 5. And on the monthly chart right now. All right, so let's look at this on the 5-hour chart. We want to see how strong the market really is in XRP. We don't see anything too much on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 1 real quick. Nothing that really points out to me there. And here it is on the 3:30. So all in all, how I'm feeling about the market in XRP is just much of the same. Look for the price to consolidate. Since price has bounced numerous times off of this pocket of buying, we have to presume that these buyers still want to support price in XRP. I would just definitely keep my eyes open on what happens to price when it comes back to that pocket. If it holds again and again, then yeah, we may not see the market XRP break out, but if anything, I'll look for it to consolidate and trade within a range. So here it is on the daily again. Yeah, so we could put on a prediction for XRP to go higher, but seeing that we are already trading at a pocket of selling right there, I would definitely have to be a little bit cautious and aware that we may not see the cryptocurrency even go that far. Might not even go that high. 7% on that first sell pocket. If it was able to break through this first sell pocket, the next target would be at $2.60. 11.5 to like 13.5% there. So yeah, I'm not too convinced yet that that's going to happen. I really don't see that emphasis being shown from the buyers that XRP wants to actually do that. So let me leave this alone because you can see since the high of January the 16th, the direction in which price has been trading has been going down. So if you were to do that, you can even clearly tell that that is the current momentum that price has been trading is to the downside, and we're about to get squeezed in the market for XRP right in this vicinity. Price is about to get squeezed. So give it a couple more days and see how these buyers hold up to this squeeze, whether or not these sellers will continue to put pressure down on this pocket of buying to where eventually it'll break and fall to the downside. That's what I'm gonna look out for right there. So yeah, let's hold that there, y'all. All right, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.